What's going on, guys? Got another video. Um, Coming back. Got the Lexus. Still got the other one. Broke a CV axle on us. We're waiting on parts. Put it in drive. That's not supposed to be like that. This here, I just picked this up. So I bought this car. Had a bad transmission. It's a 2007 Volkswagen Rabbit, 5-speed. Like, I'll buy the thing if I can find the air ride controller, but this thing has been abused. Intake, front bumper, grill pieces, more pieces, and you got all the air. It fucking moves. Let's see second. What the fuck? Christmas tree. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we got. So in the back, it's kind of a mess right now, but we have wrench monkey management air ride. It's on airlift bags. But yeah, this thing's on air. Got it for a really good deal. It's got quite a bit of interior work that needs to be done. A bunch of panels tore off. The car is just dirty, all tore apart. Stereo's gone. Airlift controller, but everything works as it should. Starlight headliner. Let's see here. Pop the hood. Not that cool. But under the hood, it's got a 2.5 5-cylinder. It's got an intake. Like I said, the car needs love. Like, that's literally zip tied on. No clamp on the one side there. Wiring's all exposed. It's just, yeah, needs love. But I just bought the car, and my main thing was getting the transmission in it, making sure everything worked, make sure it was good to go. Now that I got it home, we're gonna give this thing some love and kind of bring it back to its glory. So I'll put you guys on a time lapse, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the inside of the car. I already hit the vacuum earlier at the car wash. Didn't wash the car, just hit the vacuum, cleaned out most of the major stuff. So I'm gonna go through with my vacuum that I got at home and do a fine clean on it, detail the inside, put everything back together, and yeah, I'll set you up for that. Alright, so I know I said I was going to do a time lapse of me cleaning the car, but I ended up getting too deep into it, and I mean, she's clean. Nice and clean now, everything's put back together, just missing a stereo. Everything looks good over here. Back seat's nice and clean. Everything looks good. I got this vent piece inside. Trying to clear off some of the dash lights. Like the brake light is just for the brakes. Check engine light, I'm not sure, I gotta run that. Brake pad wear sensor, one of the wires is ripped. I just gotta put some more fluid in there. Those two are because of the doors. But a lot of the lights have been cleared off the dash. Car sounds great, runs great. I fixed a little bit of everything underneath the hood there to kind of get that intake situation cleaned up. Got some actual clamps on it and whatnot. So this thing fires right up. But yeah, looks good, runs great. Went ahead and put the front bumper back on it, so that looks good. I got like a noisy pulley or something there. But I'll show you this. Okay. You gotta hold this for me, Dustin? Get a video of this bad boy airing out. I'm gonna go stand up there and get a video of this airing out. Sounds good. It's gonna go ahead and be a wrap though. Just a quick, short little video. Just cleaning the car up, showing you guys the new project. Like I said, I got to get a new CV axle for the Lexus. Probably see what that noise is. Gonna give this thing a wash, whatnot. And then I got to detail the other Lexus. That one has tire marks all over the side of it from blowing tires. But thanks for watching, guys.